Core topic number 2, expansion, extra hard level. For this example, bracket x plus 2 times bracket x squared minus 2x plus 4. For this question, we can apply the identity sum of two cubes, just like a plus b, let me change the color, a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So it's identical to a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3. So here a is x, b is 2, so x squared means a squared, minus ab, so minus ab, okay, ab, and plus b squared means 2 squared, which is 4. So exactly the same forms of the sums of two cubes. So we can apply it directly. So equal to a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3. So a is x, b is 2, so 2 to the power 3. So what we get is x to the power 3, plus 2 to the power 3, which is 8. Okay, that's it. Now let's see another method. We can use the we can expand it by rainbow method. So copy down the question, x plus 2. Let me change the color. X plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. So we can apply rainbow method. There are 2 terms in the first bracket and 3 terms in the second bracket. We use each term in the first bracket times multiply all the terms in the second bracket. So the first step, x times x squared, x times negative 2x, x times positive 4, and then use positive 2 times x, positive 2 times negative 2x, this is 4, this is 5th, and positive 2 times positive 4, this is 6th step. Okay, so let's write it down. X times x squared give us x to the power 3. X times negative 2x give us negative 2x squared. So this is the first one, this is the second one. And x times positive 4, which is positive 4x, this is number 3. Positive 2 times x squared, which is positive 2x squared, this is number 4. And positive 2 times negative 2x, which is negative 4x, so this is number 5. And positive 2 times positive 4, which is positive 8, so this is number 6. Now let's see what are the like terms. X power 3 only one term, so just copy it down, x power 3. And number 2 and number 4, the second term and the fourth terms are like term. One is negative 2x squared, another one is positive 2x squared. They are opposite to each other, so can be cancelled, equal to 0. And now looking at the third term and the fifth terms, one is positive 4x, another is negative 4x, also can be cancelled each other. So positive 8 is left. So the answer is x to the power 3 plus 8. That's it. Okay, let's see another example. This one also exactly the same forms of the identity, difference of two cubes, just like a minus b. Let me change the color. A minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, which identical to a to the power 3 minus b to the power 3. So here in this question, a is 2m, b is n, So 2m to the power 2, which is 4m squared. So this is a squared. And n to the power 2, which is n squared. So this is b squared. And the middle term should be plus a times b. So this 2m times m, which is positive 2mn. So here 2mn. So this is the middle term, 2mn. Okay, so we can apply the identity directly. So we get a to the power 3 minus b to the power 3. A is 2m, b is n. So we have 2 to the power 3, which is 8. This is 8. M to the power 3, which is m to the power 3. Okay, minus n to the power 3. Okay, that's it. Now we try to use rainbow method to do it, alternate method. So we have 2m minus n times 4m squared plus 2mn plus n squared. So we use each term in the first bracket, multiply all the terms in the second bracket. So the first term is 2m, multiply 4m squared. 2m multiply positive 2mn. 2m multiply positive n squared. And the second term, which is negative n, multiply 4m squared. Negative n multiply positive 2mn. Negative n multiply n squared. So we have 6 terms. So just write it down. 2m times 4m squared, which is am to the power 3. This is the first term. And 2m times positive 2mn, which is 4m times m is squared, so times n. This is the second term. And the third term, 2m times n squared, so which is positive 2mn squared. This is the third term. And the fourth term, negative n times 4m squared. So this is negative 4m squared n. So this is the fourth term. And then negative n times positive 2mn, so which is negative 2mn squared. This is the fifth term. And the sixth term, negative n times positive n squared. So this is negative n to the power 3. This is the sixth term. Okay, looking at the second terms and the fourth term, one is positive, one is negative, can be cancel each other. And also look at the third term and the fifth term. One is positive, another one is negative, so can be cancel each other. So what's left? Just copy it down. The first term am to the power 3, and the last term negative n to the power 3. So that's it. Finish.